Hello, I'm Robert Buxbaum. I'm the president of REB Research, and this is a Mr. Hydrogen purifier. It's a palladium membrane-based system. This would be the cell that's inside the system. This is the part that does the job. Everything else is electronics to make sure it works the right way it should. I'm going to explain how you troubleshoot it, make sure it works, and give a little rundown on how you use it. The first thing you might want to do when you get one is plug it in and turn it on. When you do, you should hear the fan go on. Hear that? And a temperature goes on here. It's 8 degrees centigrade right now in the cell. And it's a set temperature, 390. That's the temperature I've set the Mr. Hydrogen to work at. Depending on your application, anything between about 380 and 420 are normal temperatures for using this purifier. If these lights go on, you hear the fan, that's a very good sign that everything's working. You also start seeing the temperature rise. There's a heater in there. As the heater heats things up, you'll see this temperature go. It'll take a few minutes to reach the set temperature. Assuming everything looks like it's working here, you'll want to do two more things. You'll want to connect it to hydrogen. This is a hydrogen cylinder. I have a hydrogen line. Doesn't have to be pure here. It's a purifier after all. And there's a nitrogen cylinder. I've got these teed together so I can switch from nitrogen to hydrogen when I get this going. And for test purposes, I have this flow meter. You might want one. You don't necessarily need one, but for test purposes, it's very convenient to have a flow meter of some sort. This one from a company called Alberg. There's plenty of other companies that sell. If you ever want to work on one or work on the inside of one, you should have a Phillips screwdriver and a small blade screwdriver. You should also have a set of wrenches. You'll need this just to hook up your hydrogen and nitrogen and what have you. I like to also have a adjustable screwdriver, adjustable wrench. This one is from the Crescent Wrench Company. Classic Michigan. This is a volt amp meter. Very, very convenient. The most convenient part is the ohmage. If you're ever worried that the heater burnt out, you want to measure the resistance of the heater. So this is a useful tool to have if you ever want to troubleshoot your purifier. And a little bit more sophisticated troubleshooting is done with this device. This is an ammeter that's a non-contact ammeter. I can tell if there's power growing in any wire by putting the wire through here, the little clamp, and then it'll read. The heater should draw about 1 amp or 2 amps, and with this device you can tell whether it's drawing the amperage you expect. So those are the equipment you'll need to get started. That's more or less the setup. Stop here.